Is it possible to create a single decoration that will bring joy all winter long? I've been doing this for many years, and today I'll show you how to turn an ordinary garden urn into a stylish terrace centerpiece using only what nature provides. On my channel, you've already seen how I decorated my home with garlands and ice ornaments this year. This project will be the final touch in creating my winter oasis. Welcome to my creative channel. We'll start with the preparation. Everything we need is literally at our fingertips. I'm using branches of birch, pine, and spruce, as well as willow and alder. To these, I'll add dried flowers from my garden, hydrangea, tansy, and echinacea. To ensure the decoration withstands frost and moisture until March, I use a proven method. I trim each branch and coat it with a water-based varnish. This is the key to longevity. It keeps the arrangement looking fresh for months to come. Our base is simple soil in the garden urn. It's what will hold the entire structure in place, even in strong winds. First, I set the largest branches to create the skeleton, the future composition. I love this moment when something harmonious begins to emerge from the chaos of branches. For me, creating with my own hands is pure meditation and a way to build beauty from simple things. Now, it's time for the details. Hydrangea and echinacea add a touch of lightness, while pine cones bring in that woodland coziness. Take a look at the result. This decorative urn looks elegant and yet very inviting. Nature is the best inspiration. I'm happy to share my craft and this passion with you. The passion for noticing and creating beauty in every moment. This decoration will stay with me until spring. How do you find beauty in your everyday life? Let me know in the comments which natural materials you love to use. Subscribe to my channel and let's create harmony together. See you in the next video.